Rape is a heinous crime that violates the dignity and rights of women. It causes physical, psychological, and social trauma to the victims and their families. It also affects the overall safety and well-being of society. Therefore, it is important to know the laws against rape in India and how they protect women from sexual violence. According to Section 375 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860. Rape is defined as an offense that occurs when a man has intercourse with a woman without her consent, or if she is a minor. The consent of a woman is not valid if it is obtained by force, fraud, fear, or intoxication. The punishment for rape is imprisonment for not less than 7 years and up to life imprisonment, or death in some cases. The laws against rape in India have been amended several times to make them more stringent and comprehensive. Some of the major amendments are the Criminal Law Amendment Act, 2013. This act was passed after the brutal gang rape and murder of a student in Delhi in 2012, which sparked nationwide protests and outrage. The act expanded the definition of rape to include oral sex, anal sex, insertion of objects, and any other unnatural sexual acts. It also introduced new offenses such as stalking, voyeurism, acid attacks, and disrobing. It also increased the minimum punishment for rape from 7 to 10 years and made it mandatory for the police to register complaints and provide medical care to survivors. Squared. The Criminal Law Amendment Act, 2018. This act was passed after the horrific rape and murder of an 8-year-old girl in Kathua in 2018. Which shook the conscience of the nation. The act increased the minimum punishment for rape of a girl below 12 years from 10 years to 20 years and made it punishable with death penalty. It also increased the minimum punishment for rape of a girl below 16 years from 10 years to 20 years. It also made the investigation and trial of rape cases time-bound and provided for speedy disposal of appeals. Cubed. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offenses POCSO Act, 2012. This act was enacted to protect children from sexual abuse and exploitation.